Here at Smart Asset Software, we're looking to the future while our technology transforms your present. We've developed the intuitive Smart Asset Browser as a user-friendly, comprehensive asset management tool. On the clean, attractive dashboard screen, you get a high-level snapshot of all your assets and the jobs associated with them. You have real-time information on the location of your assets in the map view, and filters make it easy to view specific information. You can view a complete list of your assets in the Asset List view. They're sorted into a logical hierarchy, and you can edit and add assets with ease. When you need comprehensive details of an asset, the Asset Details view has them neatly organized into categories. The multiple tab system makes it easy to execute a multitude of tasks. You can get a thorough overview of all recorded faults in the Job Request List view. The ability to filter by originator and site means you know exactly what faults are happening and where. From here, you can review the details of the job request, turn it into an active job, then assign it to a technician. It automatically appears in the Jobs List view, and your technician will be notified. You can view the details of any job in the list, which are easily accessed under the tab headings. Here, your technicians can review and complete a job and add any details, like resources used and time spent. Finally, the calendar view gives you a color-coded display of all scheduled jobs. You can get a quick snapshot of a job, apply filters to view jobs by their status, and view them in a time frame that suits you. We're excited to see the positive change our innovation can bring to your business. Contact us for a free demo today.